How to decide if pursuing a career as a CNA after high school is the right choice for me. Choosing a career can feel overwhelming, especially after high school. Have you ever thought of becoming a certified nursing assistant, CNA? This essential healthcare role is rewarding, but comes with challenges. Let's explore if this path matches your skills and passions. Certified nursing assistants provide vital support to patients by aiding their daily activities, like bathing, grooming, and eating. CNAs are the backbone of patient care, often the first point of contact in hospitals, nursing homes, or clinics. They combine medical support with emotional care. Sound inspiring? This role requires patience, compassion, and excellent communication skills. You need to be someone who values making meaningful contributions to others' lives. Embarking on a CNA career is straightforward. After high school, enroll in a state-approved training program, typically lasting 12 weeks. You'll learn basic nursing skills, infection control, anatomy and patient care techniques. Pass your state exam and you're ready to step into a thriving job market, with CNA roles projected to grow significantly over the next decade. Consider what makes this path enticing. Job stability. CNAs are in high demand, ensuring plenty of opportunities. Fast training. Begin a healthcare career within weeks. Varied work settings. Choose between high-energy hospitals or quieter nursing care facilities. Career advancement. Start here, then grow into roles like RN or LPN. It's a role designed for growth and fulfillment. This decision starts with self-reflection. Do you enjoy helping others? Are you ready for the emotional and physical demands of caregiving? Have you had prior caregiving or volunteer experience? These hands-on insights often reveal if healthcare aligns with your purpose. For example, volunteering at a nursing home can show you whether this rewarding, fast-paced work suits you. Being a CNA isn't without challenges. You'll face physically demanding shifts, patient illnesses, and sometimes long hours. Emotional resilience and strong self-care routines are critical. Ask yourself if your lifestyle supports this commitment. But for many, the joy of improving others' lives outweighs these hurdles. Before committing, consider these. Do I enjoy caring for others? Am I ready for intense training and potential stress? Do stability and career growth matter to me? Answer honestly and consult current CNAs or mentors for insights about daily realities in the field. Deciding on a CNA career after high school is a life-shaping choice. It offers stability, fulfillment, and growth. Take time to reflect, gather information, and trust your instincts. If caring for others inspires you, embrace this opportunity to make a meaningful impact. Start your journey toward a rewarding healthcare career today.